Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Latte, working as lecturer at More Education Society's Maharular Institute of Pharmacy Sonai. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is anti-rheumatics. Content of presentation: introductions, definition of anti-rheumatics, synonym, biological source, geographical distribution, organoleptic characters, chemical constituent, cultivation and collection, chemical test, and uses of following drugs. In that first one, Indian Bedelium, second one, Indian Colchicum, third one, Colchicum com. Now firstly, we will discuss introduction. Rheumatism is characterized by stiffness of muscles and pain in joints. Then modern analgesics and anti-inflammatory agents are used to treat the rheumatism, but they are also obtained from synthetic sources. The herbal anti-rheumatics includes Gugul, Salai, Nirgundav, Gentamicin, Colchicum. Next point, definition of anti-rheumatics. The drugs used to relieve or use in the treatment of rheumatism are known as anti-rheumatics. Rheumatism, it is the Greek word. Rheuma means flowing and ismos means conditions. It is characterized by soreness, stiffness of muscles and pain in joints and associated structures including arthritis. For example, Gugul, Colchicum, Gentamicin. Now next point, we will discuss the first good drug, Indian Bedelium. Synonyms: Gugul, gum Gugul, scented bedelium. Biological source: it is the oleogum resin obtained from the bark of plant Combiphora vitti belonging to family Bursaceae. Geographical source: the plant Gugul shrubs is found well distributed in India, Pakistan and Arabia. The Gugul plant is an inhabitant of dry areas of Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. It grows to the height of 2 to 3 meters, merged branch with characteristic silvery and pepper-like bark peelings. Each plant produces about 0.5 to 1 kilograms of oleogum resin, which is collected from January to March every year. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color: brown to pale yellow or dull green. Odor: agreeable, aromatic and balsamic. Taste: characteristic bitter. Size: 0.5 to 1 to 0 to 2.5 centimeters in diameter. Shape: rounded or irregular masses or agglomerated tears. Tears are somewhat transparent with waxy surface and brittle in nature. Gugul is gummy to touch and tears are normally with fractured surface. Solubility: when treated with water, it forms white emulsion. It is partly soluble in alcohol. Next point, chemical constituents. It contains approximately 60% of gum, 30% of resin, 0.5 to 1.5% of volatile oil, about 5% moisture, and 3 to 4% of foraging organic matter. Volatile oil of the guggul contains myrcene, dimyrcene, polymyrcene, or caryophyllene. The resin contains therapeutically active steroids, that is guggensterone. Standards: water soluble extractive not more than 48%, alcohol soluble extractive not more than 40%, ash value not more than 5.5%. Next point, chemical test. To the ethyl acetate extract of guggul, add acetic anhydride, boil, cool, and add 2 ml of sulfuric acid. Green color develops at junction due to steroids. Uses: first one, it is used as anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic. Second one, it is used as hypolipidemic and hypocholesteremic. Substitutes: Combiphora berry, Combiphora cordata, and Combiphora roxburghi also yield oleogum resin of commercial importance. Now next, good drugs. Second, Indian colchicum. Synonyms: colchicum seeds. Biological source: it consists of dried seeds of plant Colchicum luteum belonging to family Liliaceae. Geographical source: it is found in western Himalaya, Kashmir and Chamba. Next point, cultivation and collection. It is found at an altitude of 1000 to 3000 meter, growing extensively in open lands from Muir Hills to Kashmir. The plants are cultivated by sowing the seeds in boxes from May onwards. The seeds take a long time for germination. Seedlings are transferred in the field and placed 1 meter apart. After removing the scales and cords, the combs, which are also used in medicine, are silted transversely and dried below 65 degrees Celsius. The collection of the seeds is done from capsular fruits. Colchicum plants flower in the month of August to October and start bearing the capsular fruits from May or to July. Capsules are collected before their descent from June to July. During ripening, the seeds become dark in color and are separated by shifting from the fruits. Seeds are processed and grounded accordingly. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color: dark reddish brown, pitted and sturdy. Odor: none. Taste: bitter and acrid. Shape: seeds are globular with strophanol at one side and raphe on the other. Chemical constituents. Colchicum seeds contain about 0.2% to 1% of total alkaloids, calculated as colchicine. The alkaloids present in the drug are colchicine and dimetcolchine. The alkaloids have tropolone or cycloheptadene OL1 ring structure. Colchicorresin, starch and about 5% of fixed oil are other content of the drug. Next point, chemical test. With 70% sulfuric acid, a yellow color due to colchicine is produced. Uses. First one, colchicum seeds are used in gout and rheumatism. Second one, colchicum seeds can control the malignant tumor but are highly toxic. Third one, colchicum is used to cause polyploidy. Fourth one, it is used in horticultures and in the cultivation of medicinal plants. Next point, chemical constituents. Punarnava contains about 0.04% of alkaloids known as punarnavin. It also contains about 6% of potassium nitrate, an oily substance, and uracilic acid. Uses. First one, it is used as diuretic and expectorant. Second one, it is used as stomachic and used in treatment of jaundice. Third one, it is used for enlargement of spleen, abdominal pain. Substitute. First one, Trianthema portulacastrum. Second one, Trianthema obcordata. Third one, Trianthema decandra. Now, next good drugs we will discuss. Third good drugs, colchicum calm. Synonyms: Atinum Coccus calm, Meadow-saffron calm. Biological source: Colchicum calms are the calms of meadow-saffron, that is Colchicum autumnale, in the fresh or dried form belonging to family Liliaceae. Geographical distribution: it is found in England, Central and South Europe. Next point, cultivation and collection. In India, Colchicum luteum is used as a substitute for Colchicum autumnale. Hence, the Indian Colchicum differs from the BP variety. It is found in western Himalayas. Colchicum autumnale culms are collected yearly in summer after the leaves have dried. They are prepared by removing the scaly cords. Culms are then slit transversely and dried at the temperature below 65 degrees Celsius. Indian Colchicum culms are collected from the plants which are 2 years old and are collected in June and July in Kashmir Valley and in the hilly areas of Kishtwar, Uri and Damel. Next point, organoleptic characters. Color yellowish brown. Odor none. Taste bitter and acrid. Size: silices are about 2 to 5 mm in thickness. Shape: subreniforms or ovate in outlines or plano-convex. Extra features: fructus is short and cut surfaces are white and stretchy, showing greyish points. Next point, chemical constituents. Colchicum culms contain 0.8 to 1.5% of total alkaloids, mainly colchicine. In addition to colchicine, dimecolchicine substances W-colchicorrazine, colchicoside, colchicum glucosides are the other important constituents of colchicum culm. Starch, gum, tannin, sugar, coloring matters, and fat are the inactive contents of the comb. Next point, chemical test. Fractured surface of colchicum comb becomes yellow with 20% sulfuric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid due to colchicine. Next point, uses. Preparations of colchicum combs are used to relieve pain and inflammation in acute gout. Colchicine is used to induce polyploidy. Thank you.